Picture this, a sleek, affordable electric vehicle rolling into your driveway, priced at just $15,990, and poised to change the game for millions. That's the buzz surrounding Tesla's latest venture, set to launch in Texas, with a projected output of 5 million units annually. Recently, Elon Musk dropped a bombshell at the latest event, clarifying that this isn't the Model 2 we've been hearing about. It's an entirely new model, reimagined from the ground up. With production gearing up and orders opening next month, this car could be the key to unlocking a future where electric driving is accessible to everyone. Could it also earn you $30,000 a year as a robotaxi with full self-driving FSD capabilities? Let's dive into the details and find out what makes this moment so electrifying. The journey to this launch has been anything but ordinary. Initially shrouded in skepticism, the idea of a sub-$160,000 Tesla seemed like a pipe dream. But recent developments have turned heads. Tesla is currently putting 537 pre-production units through rigorous validation checks, ensuring every bolt, system, and feature meets the highest standards. Leaked glimpses from the Texas and Fremont Gigafactories hint at a design that's head and shoulders above the competition, blending innovative manufacturing techniques with Tesla's signature flair. Full-scale production is slated to begin in September 2025, with the first customer deliveries hitting the streets on December 12, 2025. This isn't just another promise. It's a calculated move to deliver a car that's ready to shine. The rollout plan is as strategic as it is ambitious. Initial deliveries will light up key U.S. markets like New York, Los Angeles, California, Texas, and Florida, with expansion to the Northeast and Pacific Northwest by late December. Globally, Europe kicks off at Giga Berlin in March 2026, with right-hand drive versions for the UK in April, followed by Australia, Japan, and a tailored China model from Giga Shanghai in the third quarter of 2026. Reservations open this September with a fully refundable $100 deposit, and Tesla predicts a staggering 535,000 orders in the first 24 hours, doubling the Model 3's record. Allocation prioritizes 40% for existing Tesla owners based on purchase history, 30% for early new reservations, 15% for fleet and business buyers, and 15% for international markets. Depending on your location, wait times could range from 3 to 4 months on the West Coast to 9 months or more in Europe. Proof of Tesla's commitment to quality over speed. So why the wait? Tesla is doubling down on quality assurance, implementing a 4,786-point checklist, 3 times more thorough than past launches, and running 96 extra safety validations beyond legal requirements. The goal? Ensure these first units match the reliability of a 3-year-old, well-maintained Tesla, sparing early adopters the teething problems of previous rollouts. The manufacturing equipment is already installed and in testing, signaling a launch that's more promise than hype. This focus on precision reflects lessons learned from the rushed Model 3 debut, balancing excitement with a disciplined approach. The backstory adds intrigue. Rumors of cancellation swirled in 2024 and 2025, with some suggesting competition from China's cheap EVs or a pivot to robotaxis derailed the project. Yet, Tesla's quarterly earnings still list an affordable model for 2025, and Musk's recent comments suggest a strategic silence rather than abandonment. With revenues dipping, this $15,990 car could be the lifeline Tesla needs, targeting millions who find current models out of reach. By adapting the proven Model Y platform, stripping expensive features, and using the same production line, Tesla is betting on a 50% price cut to capture a massive market share. Design-wise, don't expect luxury. The Model 2 embraces a minimalist exterior, ditching flashy details for practicality. Unlike the hatchback-loving older demographic, this cost-cut crossover skips wide rear doors for a standard 4-door layout, potentially alienating some buyers. But data shows electric crossovers enhance accessibility and driving joy, suggesting inclusivity could fuel faster market growth. The solid roof replaces the panoramic glass of higher-end models, trading ambience for cost savings and privacy. Rear light bars are gone, swapped for plain panels, and interior upgrades like the rear screen and 8-pillar speakers are cut, shifting to fabric seats and a basic white ambient light. The center console drops below the display with Cyber truck-inspired cup holders and a conventional steering wheel handles drive functions via screen controls. Even the trunk might revert to a non-motorized design, all to hit that price point. Affordability hinges on a smaller battery pack, 25 to 38% of vehicle cost, targeting a 250-mile range, likely less in real-world conditions. Compared to the $39,000 Model 3's 272 miles on a 57.5 kilowatt-hour pack, this compromise makes sense for a $15,990 price. Innovations like LFP superfast charging, a 48V architecture, a $1,000 motor, and updated hardware keep costs down without sacrificing core tech. Production will span Giga Texas and global factories, with Musk aiming to outsell all other Tesla models. This entry into the compact segment could spark a wave of affordable Teslas, redefining EV strategy. For those dreaming of a Tesla under $16,000, that day nears. Despite delays dimming initial hype, anticipation persists. Could this launch at $15,990 reshape the EV landscape? Share your thoughts. What would you tweak if you were Musk for a day?